What you in it?
So Crispy thinks that he can eat 10 marshmallows in one bite. So see, as we got here marked on the cup, marshmallow challenge. We got 10 marked. Now Mackenzie's gonna tell you the rules.
Okay. The rules are Crispy has to put. He said he thinks he can fit 10. So if he fits all 10 of these marshmallows in his mouth and says Red Solo Crew rules, where we can actually understand him, he wins. But if he can't fit 10 in his mouth, 10 subtracted from whatever number he actually does put, the remainder is the consequence. So say he only fits 6, then he was 4 away, so the consequence is 4. And if he doesn't do it, he has to eat 4 handfuls of cat food. But if he does it and he can't say it, he only has to eat just a little bit of cat food, like 1. So
Don't try this at home.
that's how we do it. All right, ready?
All right, here we go. Marshmallow number 1.
Let's get started here.
Excuse me, Dr. Cris.
You ready?
Ready, my dear lad.
First marshmallow. It's 1.
What?
That noise. Boy. Like, what's that? Is that 5 already? Oh my god. It's halfway there. Halfway there. Three more.
You know, my grandpa made it when he used to dip. And my grandpa used to put a big old dip in, like Crispy is. You get them all?
That's it.
That's it. You gotta put
He did it. So, since he did it and he said Red Solo Crew rules, I guess I have to eat a handful of cat food now. A deal's a deal.
the deal's the deal.
A deal's a deal.
Homie?
You met his match. 10 of them. 10 of them
Dude,
right
I
there.
stuck them so deep in there.
All right, dude. We're finna watch Mackenzie. Red Solo Crew.
It's so hard to chew. I'm gonna die.
That's that good stuff. That's that 9 lives. You
I've
eat this,
stuck 9
you
lines.
eat this, you will have 9 lives, people.
You know what? A deal is a deal.
I fit 10 easily. I can do 20.
What is open already?
Okay. Y'all was laughing every time I stuck it in my line.
You didn't hear that noise it was making?
Mm-mm.
How do you open cat food? I've never opened it. What's it?
Taking a short
There you
intermission.
go.
Oh.
1 handful.
It's open.
Just 1 handful.
Does this count?
Dude, that's fine.
Is
Well,
that,
ladies and gentlemen, that
does
is
that count?
fine. That is
It's
a hand of
cat
cat food.
have to chew it and swallow it.
Yes.
It's a deal, bro.
I don't. I mean, I don't know. It's pretty nice, but I'll do it. A deal's a deal, dude. A deal's a deal.
Mm-hmm.
You ready?
Stop! I can't let you away. You're going alone.
You get something, Chris. Go in deep.
Oh my god! No, I'm not doing
Meow.
that.
Okay, that's too much. I'm about
No.
Meow. Okay.
9 lives right here, people. All right, let's get them counting now. Y'all ready? Y'all ready? Everybody ready? 3,
Cheers.
3, 2, 1.
Turn up. That's what.
Uncle worst thing in the world.
That's wallet.
I'm straight now.
That's wallet.
I'm
Good wallet. This is so high. Where's that?
I need that bucket. Are y'all sick?